Thank you, Rory, and hello, everybody. So I work in academia, but in a lab that has strong links with industry. And I've personally been an avid user of RSpace for over 2 years now. And as an open science enthusiast, I take advantage of RSpace's support for my efforts to generate research that is reusable, replicable, and reproducible. Next slide, please. In contrast to conventional paper lab books, it is easy for me to record my research in RSpace in a manner that complies with the FAIR data principles. Everything in RSpace is findable. I and others have the ability to quickly search and find what we need. Importantly, my work can be reused and repeated by myself as well as others at all times. This is very critical for continuity in our research and something that is more difficult if we go back to conventional paper lab books. Next slide, please. RSpace also offers me and the rest of the lab the ability to collaborate seamlessly across projects in a fully transparent manner, and this is something we take advantage of a lot. As you can see in the panel on the left-hand side, I can have different entries with different contributors, and it's fully under my control what level of access they have to my work. In the middle panel, I have an example of the version control that happens automatically in RSpace. This is very important because our work is potentially patentable research, so we must be able to trace who did what, when, and where. Beyond collaboration among individuals inside and outside the lab, RSpace also enables collaboration with other software solutions, and I'm showing a few examples on the right-hand side in the third panel. I'm using a lot of the options that relate to linking up to external cloud-based storage providers, cloud-based data storage providers, and this allows me to link up large data sets to particular lab book entries within RSpace. I can also use RSpace to deposit my research workflow and associated data into external repositories. And this is a key feature when it comes to open science because many funders and even publishers now require all source data to be openly available. Next slide, please. Now, having said all of this, it's important to emphasize that I'm fully in control over exactly what and how much of my data to share. Given potential IP restrictions of our work, it's important for our lab that RSpace allows our research to be recorded in a patent-compliant manner, and that is certainly the case. So in summary, RSpace enables my work to be as open as possible and as close as necessary. It supports open science as well as research commercialization.